In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products to Squarespace. If you want to make it easier for customers to discover more items in your store, adding related products is a great feature to use. It helps connect similar products together, which can improve navigation and encourage shoppers to keep browsing. The good news is that the setup is very simple once you know where to find it. To begin, go to your Squarespace dashboard and open the Products area. From there, select Products and Services so you can view the items available in your store. This is where you'll manage the product you want to update. Next, choose the specific product you want to add related products to and open it for editing. Make sure you're inside the product editor before moving on, because the Related Products option is located within that product's settings. Once you're editing the product, scroll until you find the Selling Tools section. In that section, select Related Products. This is where Squarespace lets you connect this item with other products by using tags or categories. When you open that option, choose the tag or category you want this product associated with. After that, Squarespace will use those shared tags or categories to display related items. Once you've selected the right option, you're basically done. If you don't see any categories or tags available yet, that simply means they haven't been created or assigned to your products yet. In that case, you'll need to start adding tags or categories to the products you want included together. This step is important because related products in Squarespace depend on those shared labels to know which items belong together. A helpful tip here is to keep your tags and categories organized and consistent. For example, if similar products should appear together, make sure they all use the same relevant tag or category. That way your related product suggestions will feel more accurate and useful to your customers. And that's really all there is to it. Once your tags or categories are set up properly, adding related products becomes quick and easy. It's a simple way to improve the shopping experience and help visitors find more of what they're interested in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.